How to use EndNote for citation and referencing. First, go to EndNote website and log into your account with email and password. After sign in, you would see this page. You have to choose existing library or create a new library. I have chosen an existing library. This is the page. So you click here to add a new reference. You can also click Ctrl+N. And then you get this window, where you can then edit all of the information. You can also add a PDF if you got some PDFs here. And you can also edit and add PDF. You can do both in at the same time with that tab. After that, click on the Save button here. And then with that selected, you can see on the side this is where you'll get all the information you just put in. From here you get this toolbar up here with so many different tools to help you. That's it. Thanks for watching.